DJI Mic 2, the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get this carrying case, which contains everything: the DJI mic, the transmitter and the receiver, and also all the small accessories that are included in this package. The carrying case is very nice, it is well built, but inside you will find the DJI Mic 2, which is this box. It is made out of metal, full metal, and also inside you're going to find 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Since mine came with 2 transmitters, you're going to have 2 windscreen, which are going to decrease the wind. The windscreen is a must if you want to record anything outside while using this DJI Mic 2, either paired with your smartphone or your professional camera. The next accessory is a charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. You can also use your smartphone charger in order to recharge the DJI Mic 2. So at last you have this headphone jack cable, which is primarily used if you want to record with a camera, a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. To open the carrying case, you will have to press on the button. After that, you need to open the top of the carrying case. Then you're going to see all the equipment lighting up and turning on. So here's the transmitter. The build quality is very good, and you have on the front of the transmitter, it is a clear glass that lets you see the components that are inside. The green light blinking means that it is trying to connect to the receiver. If I remove the receiver out of the box, it is going to be a solid green light. On the back of the transmitter, you have one magnet. It is really strong. The magnet will let you clip the transmitter on your short or any type of clothing that you wear. On the transmitter, you have one USB-C port, which is for charging if you do not charge using the carrying case. And also at the top of the transmitter, you have one headphone jack, which is for the lavalier mic. If you want to use the windscreen, you will have to attach it at the top of the transmitter. Whenever you put the transmitter inside the carrying case, it is going to go to sleep and charge. And also all the transmitters inside the carrying case are paired automatically to the receiver. With the receiver, you have one power button on the side, and also on the back of the receiver, you have one USB-C port for charging only the receiver. And on the front, you have a touch screen, which is very convenient. On the front, you have this rotating knob at the top right. With the touchscreen, navigating inside the receiver is very easy. You do not have to use the rotating knob. The setup process of the receiver is very easy. You just need to add the time, the date, and after that, you have access to the receiver and it is ready for use. When everything is inside the carrying case, you will see on the screen of the receiver the battery state of all the devices. With this device, you can use the receiver and the transmitter, but you can also use the transmitter by using Bluetooth directly on your smartphone or your computer. Inside the box, you can find the extension for the USB-C if you want to use the receiver directly on a device that supports USB-C. You will also find another set of extensions for Lightning if your device is an iPhone with Lightning port. So once you have one transmitter out of the carrying case, you will no longer see the battery state of that transmitter, and you can only see that the transmitter is blinking a green light. Then when I remove the receiver, you're going to see that the green light blinking is going to be a solid green light. So at that moment, you will see the level of the audio directly on the receiver, and you can see if the audio is clipping. I decided to go with the DJI Mic 2 because this is one of the best that you can get for the quality of the audio that you're going to get after recording with these mics. The carrying case also has a built-in battery inside, which is going to recharge all the device at the same time whenever you have the transmitters and the receiver inside the carrying case. With this device, you have 14 hours of internal recording, and it is going to record in 32-bit float. The 32-bit float recording is going to be your best bet if you want to recover any audio that is too loud and too soft. While using the transmitters in Bluetooth mode, you're going to see a blue light blinking. Then if you connect to the smartphone or any device that supports Bluetooth, the blinking blue light will become a solid blue light. As of May, this is going to make my recording outside very good and of higher audio quality, and also I will not be using the audio of the smartphone.